guys, it's Moni here, Craft Klatch. Today is Friday. That means it is another Coaster Friday. If you've been watching the coaster videos, you know I've been asking for ideas that will give some visual interest to the coasters. So things that you might be able to add, like the cotton ball or the chia seeds or anything like that. And I had the suggestion of salt a couple of times. So there's table salt, there's all kinds of different salts, and I even had the suggestion, since it's winter, to do sidewalk salt. So we're actually going to do 3 salt coasters. I've mixed 6 ounces of resin and I have broken it into 3 different cups. So in the first one, I'm going to add this coarse kosher salt. Okay, now I'm going to add it right in here. And there's the first one. So now the second one, I'm going to take the Himalayan pink salt, mix that stuff in, definitely chunkier, and pour that in. And the last one is going to be the sidewalk salt, which is very coarse and a little bit yellowish, and it does like to stick together, I will say that. Now that they're all poured, I'm going to take my lighter and pop the bubbles, and there are a lot of bubbles on these, so I'm going to come back several times just to make sure I get everything good and popped. So we'll let these sit a minimum of 12 hours before we come back and unmold them. Our salt coasters have cured, and I'm just going to take them right out of the mold. And I will say I am surprised. Here's the sidewalk salt, and it's pretty chunky, and here's the back. Here's the Himalayan salt, which I thought would be my favorite. But somehow my favorite is the coarse kosher salt. And I would love to know which one is your favorite as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like the salt coasters. Be sure to let me know which one you like the best. Be sure to keep adding ideas for coasters of stuff to add that might add some visual interest. I will definitely see you next time, you guys. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye, guys.